welcome to my channel. It's Ife here. If it's your first time, thank you for tuning in, and if it's not, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a foundation review. I'll be using some makeup products that were sent to me, and yeah, the brand reached out to me and they sent me a couple of their products, just a few actually, to test run it, and we'll be doing that together. I'll be giving my honest review about the foundation alongside the primer that was sent with it. But before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share to a friend, to a family member. Please give this video a thumbs up, like it helps, and please watch my ads. Excuse me, please don't skip my ads, please. Just a few seconds, spare me and watch my ads. The ads are displayed. Thank you. So let's get into the video. This is the foundation. This is the Miccilo. I hope I'm getting the pronunciation, but this is the Miccilo foundation, and this is in the shade Buff Beach. Packaging is quite exquisite. It's just simple, nothing too dramatic, but you know, this is how it looks like. So unbox with me. This is a bottle. This is a Miccilo bottle, and this is a Buff Beach foundation. This is the shade, and this is definitely not my shade, but this is it. I like the packaging. It's good. It looks lightweight actually. I don't know, it actually looks lightweight. I don't know, can you guys see? So I love this part because this is like it locks and unlocks, locks, unlocks, so you don't have to be scared of, oh, your foundation is peeling because you mistakenly pressed it or something. So when you need to use it, you unlock, and when you're done using it, you just cock it back. This is it. So I like this about the foundation. It's a small and cute portable bottle, and yeah, they claim it is lightweight. And there's an instruction here. It says always shake before use to activate. This is the shade 109 Mocha. This is my shade. Yeah, you guys, this is my shade. You don't have to even, this definitely has to be my shade. The third product I'll be showing you guys today is a primer. I don't know, this primer just looks beautiful. Probably it's just me, but I don't know, it has this classy look. It is giving. It's giving. I love the primer, and yeah, I'll just be trying out the product so you guys can see if you would love to give it a shot or not. But I'll give my honest review. For a 20% discount on all of their products, I'll be putting my link down below in the description box, so you guys click on it and use my referral code, and let's get into reviewing, like the actual reviewing. I really love this micellar solution because as you are cleansing your face, it's also moisturizing the face, so it is really good. Like, it leaves your face really moisturized after cleansing. This is micellar solution, my bad. So this is just me waiting for my face to dry up a bit. So you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My face is all dry, so now I'll be using the Miccilo primer. It says lightweight, fuel, flawless finish, long lasting. So let's see if it actually adds up. So just a droplet. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I have to admit, it's really soft on the skin. Like, it's so soft. This is my face with the primer, and yeah, I've not really applied here. My face after priming it up. So first things first, the primer is really lightweight. That's really something I love about it. The primer is actually lightweight. So on to the next, the foundation. You can see I have like a bleeding skin. I have so many spots, some are pink, some are black. This is the foundation. This is the 109 Mocha. Now here it's written full coverage, so we are going to be testing to see if it's actually going to give coverage. And as you can see with my spots, let's see how good it is at covering up things, because I have lesser spots here I'll try to use my fingertips to go. I'm going to take a little droplet and see how much coverage it's going to give me. So this is going to be it. Oh, you see? Let's see. Okay, excuse me, but this foundation is giving. Like, this is just my fingertips and it's giving. Excuse me. What? You all, it's full coverage because the little droplet I applied, just one, two, it's covered the whole of this cheek. So, and this looks so natural. I can really go out with these and people would not even know if this is foundation on. Yeah, some people would know, but it's not like obvious, it's not glaring. Like, okay, I have more spots here, so it might be obvious, but it means people like me that have spots, I can just do pa 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 and I'm good to go. I'm good to go for the day. Foundation is actually soft and lightweight on the skin, so yeah. Yeah. And yeah, we'll see how good it is because I have spots here. As you saw the little I applied, so first thing is this foundation is little goes a long way. You don't have to put compound of foundation for you to have a flawless skin beat. Okay. This is like my exact skin tone, bro. So let me, really, this is actually my shade, like this 109 mocha. So you can just order this foundation from the website www.miccilo.com and use my referral code for a 20% discount. And yeah, the only issue I have with the brand is they don't ship to Nigeria. It's an international brand. Like March, when they reached out to me, they were not shipping to Nigeria. So probably if you have family members or if you are outside, then this is my review, and let me finish my look and I'll be back for you guys. Bye. Hi guys, so this is my final look for you all. You can see my foundation, it's giving. Everything about this foundation is giving. I would recommend the foundation for you to go and try if you can. This foundation is really cheap, plus the fact that you get a 20% discount if you use my referral code. So if you can, copy it. Like this video, share to friends and family, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.